Have you ever wondered how people actually create this kind of thumbnails? Now, this kind of thumbnails actually organize your YouTube channel. It as well helps you rank when it comes to SEO. So with this thumbnail, it is easy for YouTube to actually suggest your videos to people. You can create these thumbnails for your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your TikTok, your IG, as the case may be. How do I create this kind of professional thumbnails when I am not a graphic designer? Don't worry. That is why I'm creating a step-by-step videos to guide you and how to create this. You don't need to have graphic designing knowledge. You don't need to use Photoshop. You don't need to use CorelDRAW. All you need to do is use this website I am going to use for this tutorial. It is free of charge. They have templates. Just go there, choose the template you want, and create professional thumbnails for your video. Now, if you can see my YouTube channel here, you see my videos, you see how organized they are, and you see the kind of thumbnails I placed on my video. It actually organizes your YouTube channel. So if this is the first time you are coming across my video, please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release next video, you'll be first person to see these videos. Without wasting our time, let me go straight to my PC and demonstrate how you can actually create a beautiful thumbnail and use it for your social media post and content.
First, come to Google and type the word postermywall.com. Postermywall.com. Then after typing it, click on the link and sign in, create an account and sign in. It is free of charge. There are some templates that are premium, but we are going to use the free one. So once you are here, come to this search bar and search for the word YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnails. Like I said, you don't need a graphic designing knowledge for this. You don't need to be a Photoshop designer or nothing. All you need to do is come search for the template you want. Now scroll down. You are going to see different kind of thumbnail. Now you must have seen me use this very particular pattern here. So all you need to do is search for the ones you like. Just be creative. You don't need to use anyhow template here. So use the one that is in line with what you want to do. Let's say this pattern here. Just click on it and wait for it to come out. Now if it is okay by you, just click on this edit design. Once you click on the edit design, it's going to take you to the design environment for you to edit. Is that okay? So all you need to do from this very moment, just make changes to the write-up. Make sure the write-up that is here is the same write-up that is on your YouTube channel. Is that okay? Take for instance, maybe how to. Now if you type to and you see that it has come down to the next line, click on this place and enlarge it like this. How to grow, maybe let's say account. That's all. Then you need to replace this very image with your image. Click on this very place. You see this place I wrote replace. Click on replace and click on my upload. Now you need to upload your image. Now you need to upload a PNG image and not JPEG. So if you have a JPEG image, come to this website remove.bg. Come to this website remove.bg and upload your JPEG image, convert it to PNG and download it. Is that okay? So I'm going to click on this upload here. Then I'll look for an image. Let me look for an image. Okay, let me go to my photos and look for an image. Let's say this very image here. I'll click on this image, then it will convert to PDF for me. It's going to remove the background and I'm going to download it afterward. Now it has removed the background. I'll just click on download here. Then once I'm done, I'll come back to this place. Then I'll click on upload. Now go to my download folder and look at it. I'll double click it. It's going to load and replace. So I'll just increase it here. Just slide this. And that's all. I'll click on apply and automatically it's going to appear on my design here. Is that okay? So in the situation it is like this. Just click on forward, bring it out. So this is it. So you can just drag it and that's all. You've created a beautiful thumbnail. Now this is what some people will charge you $10, $5 to design for you. So if you have a logo, just replace a logo, then put your YouTube or your social media handle here, then click on download. Once you click on download, just hit on this download there. It will be downloaded to your downloaded folder. Is that okay? And you can go to your YouTube channel and use it. As you can see, like I said, if you see my YouTube channel, you see that I have good thumbnails on my YouTube channel. So this is how you create a thumbnail on your account and have your YouTube channel well organized. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first person to see our videos whenever we release it. I'll see you in my next video.